Welcome to Elysia B Beauty Academy, where you will learn how to flawlessly execute today's trending styles. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 techniques on achieving knotless braids.
For starters, I want to show y'all something. Like, this is the ideal for knotless braids. Like, this is the ideal type of hair. The hair that's thick from the root to the tip, or it really doesn't have to be thick from the root to the tip, but at least has to be thick for about 3 to 4 inches of the hair. You can do them on thinner hair. This gives the best results, especially when you're doing like jumbo braids, because their hair needs to be thick to be able to match the consistency at which you're feeding in.
All right, so let's go. We're going to start off with this section, and then we're going to call this one technique 1. I literally probably could have came up with about 5 or 6 techniques, but in this video, we're going to do 3. So I'm going to start by braiding the hair. I'm going to go under my right. I'm going to grab that little string of hair and put it back in. I'm going to go under left. Then I'm going to grab a piece of hair, and I'm going to feed it in. Even the left side of it out. I'm going to braid down, and then I'm going to grab that left side I left out and put it in between my pinched fingers. And I'm going to feed in right where I added that side that was left out. I'm going to feed in there, and I'm going to leave that side out again. I'm going to braid down, and then I'm going to add that piece in again. I'm going to feed it in, leave it out, braid down, add it in, and that's my routine. So feed in, leave it out, braid down, add it in, and I'm going to repeat it until I have all the pieces added in. Once I do have all the pieces added in, I'm going to switch my hand position, and I'm going to braid the braid all the way down. Okay, so for technique number 2, I'm going to section it off like I did in the first part, but I'm going to actually feed in from the right hand side instead of the left hand side. So I'm going to wrap it around the left hand, but I'm feeding it in from the right. Okay, so pay close attention. I'm going to grab the hair, I'm going to wrap it around, and I'm going to hook it in my pinky finger really loosely. Put it in, then I'm going to loosen that pinky finger as soon as I grab to braid down. Once I braid down, I'm going to add it back in. See, loop it around, hook it, put it in, loosen it up, braid down, throw it up, braid, grab it back in. Grab the hair, wrap it around, hook it, braid down, loosen the part that was in your pinky finger up, and grab it down, put it in the braid. Hook it around your hand, grab it with your pinky, put it in your finger, braid down, loosen it up as you're braiding down, throw it up, and put the other braid down, and then add it in. And one more time, same thing. Pay close attention. This one may be kind of harder to get, but once you achieve it, it's fairly easy. It's easier for me to braid down, honestly. I mean, to feed in my my knotless braids from my left side. Although I am right-handed, for some reason feeding it in from my left, it just comes really, really natural. Okay, so for technique number 3, it's basically the same as technique number 1. The only difference is I'm going to grab both pieces at the same time. So watch this, replay one more time. So grab the hair. Instead of leaving it out, we're going to put it into the other piece of hair, the other strand of hair. Grab it, put it in the top strand, braid down. Grab it, pinch it in between your fingers, and put it on with the top strand, braid down. It's kind of like technique 1, except you're grabbing it all at the same time. You're not leaving any out to grab later. And this technique is the fastest to me, although for some odd reason I still choose to do the technique where I leave a piece of it out. I don't know. That's just what I do. And y'all, I do need y'all to let me know what y'all think about the new Elise B Beauty Academy videos. Please give me y'all honest opinions. And here is the finished look on her hair. These were the braids when I finished them. And I am going to show you a close-up of her scalp. These are true knotless braids. She pulled them in a high ponytail the day she got them done. They are so flexible. They are so comfortable. And she absolutely loved her hair. Again, thank y'all so much for watching. Please share the video, like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.